Hey guys, it's Maymay and welcome to another Stamp Club reveal. And this one is our original club for September. I love this stamp set so much. Just wait till you see it. You don't know about our club? What? I just heard somebody say that. Well, you can find out more about our stamp club in the description below. But it is a club that is a mystery club. You get a new set every month, never before seen and never released before, a brand new set. And as a member, you get 15% off most of your purchases in our store. So if you'd like to learn more about it, it's in the description below. All right, you guys, this stamp set is so stinking cute. I cannot wait for you to see it. Now, this set is called Hey Belle, and that is spelled Heybelle. Hey Belle. Wait till you see it. Look how cute. This is Belle, and she's sitting on a hay bale, but how adorable is she? I love this so much. This set gives you so many things for the fall, even for all the way through November, you can use this set, okay? And even after that, because we gave you this big O sign this time. You might remember we had a set ages ago and it's been vaulted since. And I told you I wanted to kind of rework some of those sets. And so we did that with this one and gave you something a little bigger and a little newer. And I love it. So here's our little girl. This is one big O stamp. Wait till you see the samples. The things you get on here are something to crow about, howdy, friend, y'all, hey, hey, and there. So you can do hey there or hey there. We gave you both heys just in case. Then you've got a little flower here. That's a stem. Here's the word call, like if you want to do call, call, like the crow. You've got a crow, a leaf, a little bit of grass, another leaf, another leaf. This little sign, you can put so much in it. We made it big enough that you could put a lot of your sentiments in and all of these as well. But you just want to see the samples. Let me show you. Now, we are so blessed to have Miss Geneva and Miss Opal that work for us. They are sweethearts. If you've ever had the pleasure of meeting them, they were our Saturday ladies. They used to work on Saturdays for us, and now they come in and work special occasions. But they've also agreed to start making samples for us, which is really cool because I thought it might be neat for you guys to see a little something different. Maybe something not me and not Shannon, let you see something fresh and new. So check this out. This stamp is the whole front of the card. Do you not love how she looks? I think she's so cute. She says, howdy, y'all. She's colored beautifully. She's actually paper pieced. You can feel here where they paper pieced the little overalls, and it's so cute. And then it's got a little piece of raffia. And on the inside, isn't that cute? Just using a little cut apart to put inside. Our next one is really precious. This one features the sign, how that little sign is, and it's got the little crow on top. And when you open this one up, it says, Happy Fall. And it's a little box card. It just has a little box here at the top so it can stand up like that. But isn't that precious? Love it. And then this last sample, they both made all these cards, but I didn't show you both of them. But I do want to show you both here because they're a little bit different from each other, and I love them. So this is like a burst. You see how they like burst through the page? And this one has a little apple barrel inside of it. This one, they used the cut apart and they put like the sentiment inside. I really like that. And they did, hey, friend, hey, friend. And I'll show you inside. Look how pretty. So mixing your cardstock with your stamp sets, they are so, so cute. And we love Miss Geneva and Miss Opal samples. So I'm excited to bring you a little something different. You didn't see just me and Shannon this time. And this stamp set is great. Isn't it? I just love it. The size of this little guy, you could do so much with it. I could see me doing this with my one marker coloring technique where you just use one tone and do it all over. I think it would be really cool, especially done in like a sepia kind of tone. I think that'd be really pretty. All right, you guys, be sure to sign up for the club. And also be sure when you make a project using this stamp set this month, take a photo, share it to our customer gallery, and that enters you to win a $50 gift card, which you might be the lucky winner of from last month. And if so, your name will be listed in the first line of the description below. Hey, thanks so much for being a part of our club. This is super fun. Look, I just can't get over how cute she is. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as we do. And until next time, bye now.